The wig costs like, I'm gonna put it on the screen because I don't know about heart, but it costs about this much right here, and that's not bad at all. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Victoria, and today I'm back with another video. So today's video is a hair review from the company Bileaf. This is their new headband wig, and I'm here to review that today for you guys. If you guys have not liked, subscribed, or comment, go ahead and do so. Really subscribe. That is very important so that you guys can stay updated with all the information that I post. Also, I want to thank my 10K subscribers. You guys are supportive and helping me grow throughout my YouTube journey, and I love that about you guys. A lot of people ask always why I always say that, and that's because I'm big on manifestation. So that is my manifesting goal for this year. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe, join this family, join this 10K family, because we're growing every day. Yeah, thank you guys for everything, and let's go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, you guys, so let's get into unboxing. This is what the box came in, and inside the box it came in this black bag like this. It's from the company called Bileaf. Bileaf. I believe I'm saying it right. It's a water wave headband wig, glueless, and it's in the color 1B. I'm not sure what inch it is. I'll leave the inch below, but let's go over what's inside the box. So this is the wig, and we're gonna get back to that. Let's talk about the little small items that are in there, which isn't a lot, but it is a few that's in there. So inside the bag comes this wig cap. They always send these lining wig caps, and I use these like when I straighten my hair and wrap it, and I just put this on top. It works really good, keeps my hair secured and silky. And then it came with this polka dot headband, which is super cute, and you can see the color really good from back here. All right, so now let's take the net off the wig. Now mind you, this is synthetic, so it's very affordable. This is the water wave wig, and it's really cute. It doesn't look like my actual water wave human hair, but it's super cute. And this is for my girls who are like, you can't spend the money right now, and it's okay to not be able to spend the money all the time. So it's okay to like go to something that's affordable. So like I said, it's a headband wig, so it comes with the adjustable straps, and these straps are like strong as, look how strong. That's super strong. It comes with the adjustable band in the inside, which my other wig doesn't come with an adjustable bag, the human one. And it comes with 3 combs in the inside. So that's that. So let me go ahead and do my hair so that I can put the wig on you guys. I'm going in with the Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Super Hold and Smooth Edges, and it says African Pride on it. It's supposed to be like new and improved. And I'm just gonna take that and slick down my edges in the front. Alright, so I put my hair in a ponytail and I'm just gonna braid this into a plait so that it's not just sticking up everywhere or poofed out in the back of my wig. Now it's time to go ahead and put the wig on. Alright, so now I'm going to take my scarf and I'm just going to wrap my edges down. I probably should have did it before, but I ended up not doing it like that. Well, I really want some more baby hairs. Alright, so now I done blow dry my hair for a few minutes and I'm just going to take the scarf off. And this is the hair. It's super cute. It's super soft. I'm gonna sit up a little bit just so that you guys can see. This is what the wig looks like. You can put dry shampoo in your synthetic wigs so that they're not too shiny. It'll take out the shiny and kind of make it dull, more like human hair. It's really not bad. At the ends of the hair, they do kind of get tangled. I am gonna try to like brush it, see if that makes it better. So me brushing it kind of took away like the curls. See, like it's more curly on this side. Now it's just more like poofy. So I'm gonna brush the other side just to make it even. This is what we're looking like. It's really not that bad. It's really not that bad. Let's go ahead and put the headband on just to see what that looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like with the headband on. It's really cute. It's really not that bad. Let me sit up some. It's really not that bad. So yeah, let's talk about shipping. Shipping took me a week. Shipping took me exactly 4 to 5 business days. It took for shipping. The wig cost like, I'm gonna put it on the screen because I don't know about heart, but it cost about this much right here, and that's not bad at all. You guys, it's super cute. It's giving me life. Yeah, like I said, you can go ahead, and then the ends don't look bad either. Because, you know, some synthetic wigs, like the ends look horrible on it and the ends don't look bad on this. So, you can throw this on and go about your business with your real hair out in the front. And it's super, super thick. Like, it's super, super thick. Now, it does have, like, some tingling to it, which is synthetic hair. So, you really can't put nothing past it. But besides that, it's super, super cute. If you guys have not liked and subscribed, go ahead and do so right now. Go ahead and purchase this wig. Also, this is for all my affordable honeys, or my honeys who just want to just try headband wig before you order like an expensive one. This is really, really cute. I will wear this out if I was in the process of washing my other wig. It's super, super cute. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.